Hello, sixth graders. This is Mr. Kerr, and we are going to be looking at week 3. And first of all, just a couple of reminders. Every Monday morning or Tuesday morning in this case, when the new week is uploaded as you're watching this video, make sure you go into your grades tab here, look at all of your assignments, and this is where I will put feedback to you. So make sure you are looking at that several times a week. Never know exactly what day I'm going to be grading things from the previous week, but and then just remember everything will be graded and up on Thursday for sure. And Thursday is the day that we will be doing our attendance, and weekly eligibility grades are up on Thursday as well. Wednesday, of course, is our on-campus day for those of you that do that. And another thing I wanted to just point out, in case you have forgot, here in the Start Here folder, if you open that up, remember course information like the syllabus and contact information for me is in the course and instructor info. First 4 assignments that you did are right here. And then this is a really important folder here, tips, tricks, and student resources. All sorts of things that if you have a question about the class, how to do something, Schoology, having trouble submitting assignments, look in here first. 99.9% of the time you'll be able to find it. Student resources, different types of assignments we do. Google Docs, this is really useful for how to go through Google Docs, sharing your document, all of that good stuff. We have other helpful videos, presentation tools, graphing help, all sorts of cool stuff in here. So that's always where you should go if you have questions. All right, this week as we go into week 3, Aztecs and Ancient Civilizations, and broken down to lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. And reminder again, most weeks you'll be getting the information on Monday. This week, of course, it will be Tuesday because of Labor Day. So you'll get the information on Monday. And originally, you'll see the due dates for that Friday. And then you have the weekend, but my suggested schedule will always be Monday through Friday. And then you will have through Sunday to actually get things in before they are late. And, of course, everything should be updated and in the grade book by Thursday, again, for attendance and weekly eligibility grades. Okay, this week, moving through lesson 1, going to be learning about some early cultures of North America, locating the Aztecs, and going through here, and some other information for you to go through. Lesson 2, talking about, in lesson 1, you'll have a discussion board about Aztec differences. Now, on the discussion boards, please remember as we go into these, just the discussion boards, is that you need to make a post. Your post should have details from the reading, from the videos we've done, details and evidence to support the point you're making, and then you need to do replies to at least 2 of your classmates. Every discussion board will require all of those things. All right, so lesson 1, lesson 2, and then lesson 3, you're going to go into this nature or nurture, the genographic project discussion board. Again, a discussion board. So I want you to watch this video, read through the PEA method, point evidence analysis, and you are going to write a short paragraph. Again, post and 2 replies. Make sure in your post you are using evidence, details, descriptions, direct quotes that help you answer this question: is your culture determined more by where your ancestors came from or more from where you live right now? That's the question you are answering. And again, post and replies. Please get those posts done as early in the week as possible so that your classmates have the opportunity to reply back to you. Great, so we talked about discussion boards, grades, looking for feedback on your grade piece, tips, tricks, and student resources. Our schedule Monday through Friday, but also being Monday through Sunday. Grades and attendance on Thursday. Let me know if you have any questions, and look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. Take care.